All right, let's do one more. So what I forgot is if we spray one side of the paper, a lot of times we can just smush the other one on top of it. Get a good coating on it. Lay a piece of dough down. Put this back on top. Basically, it's like you squeegee in the car window. Or putting some tin on your window. Maybe you've never did that either, but you get the process. Just a quick, easy way, no fuss, not a lot of flour. Kids can learn how to do it. Or they can hand make their own. That's it. That's how we do it without the flour and get them out the way we want them.